Did you know that nearly two-thirds of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? That means they're constantly worried about money. They struggle to pay bills, and they can only dream of achieving their financial goals. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Many people feel trapped in this cycle of financial stress. But what if I told you there's a way out? What if I said you could change your financial future with just one simple shift? It's true. You can break free from the broke mentality and achieve lasting financial freedom. It all starts with understanding the power of a single transformative action. The first step is acknowledging the problem. Too many of us accept being broke as a way of life. We tell ourselves, that's just how it is, or I'll never be wealthy. But this negative self-talk is incredibly damaging. It keeps us stuck in a cycle of bad financial decisions. We overspend, avoid saving, and miss out on opportunities for growth. But it doesn't have to be this way. You can rewrite your financial story, you can break free from the limitations of a broke mindset, and you can start today by embracing a new perspective on money and your relationship with it. Many folks think financial freedom is about having a lot of money. It's not. It's about having enough. Enough to live comfortably, enough to pursue your passions, enough to sleep soundly at night. But the truth is, most people chasing enough never find it. They get a raise and immediately increase their spending. They get a bonus and think about that new gadget instead of investing. They're on a never-ending treadmill, always striving for more, never quite reaching satisfaction. This constant pursuit of more keeps us trapped. We're always working harder, always wanting more, but never truly feeling financially secure. It's a recipe for stress, anxiety, and ultimately financial instability. The key to breaking free is to shift our focus from more to enough, to define what truly matters to us and create a financial plan that supports those values. One of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom is the language we use. Words have power. When you constantly tell yourself, "I can't afford that," or "I'm always broke," you reinforce that belief in your mind. You start to see lack and limitation everywhere you look. But what if you changed your vocabulary? What if, instead of saying, "I can't afford it," you asked yourself, "How can I make this happen?" That simple shift in perspective opens up a world of possibilities. It encourages you to think creatively, explore new options, and find solutions you might have otherwise overlooked. Remember, your words shape your reality. Choose to speak abundance into your life. Focus on what you have, not on what you lack. Because when you believe in your ability to succeed, you open yourself up to a world of possibilities. Now, let's talk about the importance of perspective. How you view your money can either hold you back or propel you forward. View money as a tool to achieve your goals, and things start to change. Appreciate what you have and shift from scarcity to abundance. Wealth is about your relationship with money, feeling secure and empowered. Now let's get practical. One of the most important steps to achieving financial freedom is creating a budget. I know, the B word can sound scary, but trust me, it's not about deprivation, it's about empowerment. Think of your budget as a roadmap to your financial goals. It helps you track your income and expenses, identify areas where you can cut back, and make sure you're allocating your money towards what truly matters to you. Start by tracking your spending for a month. You might be surprised to see where your money is actually going. Then create a realistic budget that aligns with your income and expenses. There are plenty of apps and tools available to help you with this, or you can simply use a pen and paper. The key is to be consistent. Review your budget regularly, make adjustments as needed, and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember, budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about taking control of your finances and creating a solid foundation for financial success. The magic of investing. Investing is about putting your money to work for you. Instead of letting it sit idle, grow your wealth over time. It's like planting seeds for the future. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Make smart, strategic investments aligned with your goals. Beyond earning, exploring multiple streams of income. Now here's a powerful concept that can truly transform your financial life: building multiple streams of income. See, most people rely solely on their job for income. That's like putting all your eggs in one basket. If something happens to that job, your financial security is at risk. But when you have multiple streams of income, you create a safety net for yourself. You're no longer dependent on a single source of income. This could involve starting a side hustle, renting out a spare room, selling products online, or investing in dividend-paying stocks. The possibilities are endless. The key is to identify your skills and passions, explore different options, and find ways to leverage your strengths to generate additional income. Remember, the more income streams you have, the more secure and stable your financial future will be. The Income Trinity, unveiling the path to true wealth. Now let's dive into the heart of it all, the game changer that can break you free from the broke cycle. Understand earned, portfolio, and passive income. Most focus on earned income, trading hours for dollars. Diversify your income streams. True financial freedom comes from diversification. Build wealth, not just income. Portfolio and passive income work for you. Money flows in, even when you're not working. That's the power of the Income Trinity. Earned income, the foundation, not the ceiling. Let's start with what you know best. Earned income, it's the money you make from your job, your side hustle. It's the foundation of your financial house. But it shouldn't be the ceiling. Many get stuck working more to earn more. To build wealth, look beyond just increasing earned income. Invest in assets that generate portfolio and passive income. Portfolio income, putting your money to work. Now let's talk about putting your money to work for you. That's what portfolio income is all about. It's the money you earn from your investments, stocks, bonds, real estate, even your retirement accounts. This is where you start building wealth, not just income. Think of it like planting a tree. You nurture it, water it, and over time it bears fruit. That's portfolio income. It's about making strategic investments that generate returns over the long term. Now, I know investing can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Start small, do your research, and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. The key is to get started and stay consistent. Even small, regular investments can grow significantly over time thanks to the magic of compound interest. Remember, the goal is to create a portfolio that generates income without you having to trade your time for it. Passive income, the key to financial freedom. Finally, let's unlock the door to true financial freedom: passive income. This is the holy grail, folks. It's income you generate that doesn't require you to actively trade your time for it. It's like planting a money tree that keeps bearing fruit, even while you sleep. Now, building passive income streams takes effort up front, but once they're up and running, they can provide a consistent flow of income, freeing you from the limitations of a traditional job. Think rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, online businesses, royalties from books or music, or even creating and selling online courses. The possibilities are endless. The key is to identify your strengths, explore different avenues, and find what works best for you. Remember, building passive income streams takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. It's about creating a future where your money works harder than you do, providing you with the freedom to live life on your terms. The power of the Trinity. So, there you have it, folks. The secret to never feeling broke again isn't a magic trick. It's a mindset shift and a commitment to building true wealth. Remember the Income Trinity: earned income, portfolio income, and passive income. Your job, your side hustles, that's your earned income, the foundation. But to truly break free, you got to put your money to work for you. Invest it in assets that generate portfolio income, and strive to create passive income streams that bring in money even while you sleep. It's about having your money work harder than you do. Now, I know it might seem overwhelming at first, but remember that even small steps in the right direction can lead to big results over time. Start by educating yourself, setting clear financial goals, and taking action. Every dollar you invest, every passive income stream you create, brings you one step closer to financial freedom. Section 2. Join the journey. I hope this message has sparked something in you, a desire to take control of your financial future and build a life of abundance. Remember, you are not defined by your current financial situation. You have the power to change your story. Now, I want to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What resonated with you the most? What steps are you going to take today to start building your own path towards financial freedom? And if you're ready to dive deeper and learn more practical tips and strategies, make sure to check out my next video on mention a related topic, for example, budgeting, investing, or starting a side hustle. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take that step today and let's build a brighter future together.